friends, Sam here with Happily Hooked. So today we are learning how to do the shell stitch. I am so excited about this. There is a ton of different variations to do a shell stitch. So this one is going to be the 3 double crochet shell stitch. I'm super excited about it. So let's get started.
And make sure you guys do click on the like, subscribe, and the bell if you're on YouTube to make sure you get notifications.
Alright, so today we're going to learn how to do the 3 double crochet shell stitch. So to start off, just going to make our slip stitch or slip knot, and then we are going to chain in multiples of 4. So I'm going to do 20. Alright, so we've got 20 chained, and then we are going to double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll double crochet here, and so the first chain, the chain 4 that we just had, or chain 3, this will count as a stitch. So we do our double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook, and then we're going to skip the next stitch and we're going to single crochet in the next stitch. And then we're going to skip this stitch and we're going to put 3 double crochets in the next. And then we are going to skip the next stitch and single crochet here. And skip the next and put 3 double crochets in the next one. And we just repeat that all the way across. So skip 1, single crochet, skip 1, 3 double crochets, skip 1 single crochet, skip 1, and then we're just going to do 2 double crochets in the last stitch, not 3. And then I forgot to mention I am using the Bernat Softy Baby Cotton for this stitch tutorial. I've been using this one a lot. It just shows the stitches really well and doesn't split a whole lot, so that's why I've been using it. I do have a review on this video, and I'll put that link in the description below as well. Alright, and then we chain 1 and turn our work, and we're going to single crochet in the first stitch. So the same single crochet here. And then we're going to skip this double crochet, and in the single crochet that we made in the first row, we're going to put 3 double crochets. Alright, and then we'll skip the next one and we'll single crochet. So that single crochet is going into the top of this shell down at the bottom. And then we skip, and in the single crochet from the first row, we will put 3 double crochets. So for row 2, where your single crochets are, you're putting the shells, and where your shells are, you're putting a single crochet right in the middle. And then when we get to our last, we'll skip 1, and then we will single crochet into the top of that chain 3. And that is our row 2. So then we will chain 3, and then we will double crochet in the same stitch, skip the double crochet and single crochet at the top, skip a double crochet and put 2 or 3 double crochets in the single crochet. So it's the same thing for each row. Wherever there was a single crochet, you're putting a shell stitch, and wherever there is a shell stitch, you're putting a single crochet. And you'll just repeat this for as long as you want the pattern to be. If you want it to be 10 rows, you just keep going. If you want it to be used as a border, you can use it as a border on blankets. And it'd be the same concept. And then we single crochet in the last shell stitch, and then 2 double crochets at the end. And so you just repeat row 2 and row 3 until you get it to your desired length. But that is what it looked like. So yeah, if you have any questions or anything like that, just let me know in the comments below. I really enjoy the shell stitch. I use it a lot for bags and for gloves and for blanket borders. But yeah, let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and let me know what kind of stitches you guys want to see next, and I'll get them added to my list. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!